What?
What happened to my candy?
I ate some, and I donated them. What?
Look at this. It's only a little bit.
Yeah, that was too much candy for you.
I have one each day.
No, it's too much. Hey, what?
I didn't want you to eat it.
I give away to some kids.
That's not Halloween. Why laughing?
What?
You laughing? What's not funny? I'm not even sure.
It's too much candy.
But also, you help me organize my gym. What? What?
Why are you crying like this? It's only candy.